Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be special. I am going to share one of the recent experiments we have conducted just to answer all your questions. One of our team members, one of our head tutors, he went and took the test with the main purpose of this test was to check a few things. First thing, we wanted to check a new technique in describe image, that even if you speak around 10 seconds or even if you don't speak any keywords from the image, will you get the score in describe image or not? Second thing, we wanted to check if read aloud one-line strategy is working or not. Third, we wanted to check how many extra words can you add in write from dictation. So we took the test here in Sydney. Three main reasons of taking the test. Very first, can you speak describe image without any kind of keywords or less than 10 seconds? Second, if read aloud one-line strategy is working or not. Third, how many extra words in write from dictation can you add? What all he did, he attempted read aloud with one-line strategy, repeat sentences. He messed up 1, 2 or 3 repeat sentences, but he maintained his fluency and added a filler. Describe image, no keywords, he didn't speak much keywords and he spoke very less. Read a lecture as it is, he spoke whatever template I have shared with you guys, around 25 seconds. Then answer short question, he attempted the same way. I advise you, if you know the answer, speak the answer. If you just repeat a few keywords from the question. Then he skipped summarize written text essay. He skipped whole of reading. He skipped whole of listening except for the write from dictation. He got 3 write from dictations. Now what we discussed, that students basically have 2 doubts. Can we add extra words in write from dictation? If yes, how many extra words can we add? And do we have to add in the right sequence? So what we did in write from dictation, I told him, what we'll do is we will give a false start. Let's say the sentence is, he is a very good boy. Very first thing what we'll do is, in the beginning itself, we'll add extra words like is, am, are, was, were. Then we'll write the sentence, he, she, is, are, was, were, a, the, good, bad, boy, girl. And then at the end also add extra words. So this is what we wanted to test, that if you add extra words in the beginning, means you have a lot of extra words, your sequence is incorrect, your start is incorrect, your ending is incorrect, do you still get the scores? This is the score report. As you can see on your screen, he has got overall 48, 63 in listening, 30 in reading, 78 in speaking and 45 in writing. Now out of the 3 things we wanted to test, 2 were successful and 1 was unsuccessful. Very first, a lot of you might be thinking why he has got less scores in speaking. Let me tell you, there are 2 parameters when you look at your skills profile: extended speaking and short speaking. Short speaking, he has got 100%. Extended speaking, he has lost a few points. And in the remarks, we can see that he has lost points because of his describe images. Read aloud one-line strategy worked 100%. How can we say that it worked? He has got 30 points in reading, plus short speaking is full. Repeat sentences were also fine. Even he was not able to repeat 100% of the content. He spoke as much as he could and he added extra words at the end. Describe image, our experiment unfortunately failed. You have to speak a few keywords from the image and you cannot speak 6, 7, 8 seconds. You have to speak around 15, 20, 25 seconds. Read a lecture was fine. Answer short question, he did the same way. If you don't know the answer, just repeat a few keywords from the question. Write from dictation, it's amazing, it's surprising, and I don't know what is it. We added so many extra words. We asked him to give a false start, false ending, and he has got full points in write from dictation. Now you guys will ask me, how can I say that he has got full points in write from dictation? He has got 45 points in writing and he only got 3 write from dictation. You cannot get more than 45 points with 3 write from dictations in writing. He has got full points in writing. Plus, if you look at listening, he has got 63, I guess, right? So 63 in listening. Yes, 63 in listening. So points from read a lecture, repeat sentence, answer short question, and write from dictation. He skipped entire of the listening module except for write from dictation and he has still got 63. If he would have attempted listening blanks, 73, summarize spoken text 83, highlight incorrect words 87, 89, and then 1, 2 or 3 points for MCQ single and multiple answers. So write from dictation worked, read aloud worked, but describe image didn't work. But we are going to conduct a lot more experiments just to make sure we give you as accurate information as possible and you all get your desired scores. Now, what do we take out of this video? You have to pay attention. What is the main aim of this video? It's not to misguide you, it's just to empower you so that you can get your desired scores. Read aloud. If you're reading full passage, you can read full passage. If you want to use one-line strategy, it is working, it is still working. You can get full scores in reading and speaking as well. Now, if you're thinking that he has lost points in speaking because of read aloud one-line strategy, that is not the case, because his short speaking and skill analysis, which signifies how much scores he has got in read aloud and repeat sentence, is 100%. So he has not even lost a single point in read aloud and repeat sentence. So read aloud, you can use one-line strategy, no issue. Describe image, do not speak less than 10 seconds and try to repeat few keywords from the questions. And last, write from dictation. You can add extra words, but this does not really mean that you have to give false start or you have to, have false endings, or you just keep on adding extra words. What I'll recommend, write as much as of the sentence you can, but wherever you have doubt, don't worry about adding, don't worry about this thing that you lose points, add as many extra words you can. But first of all, focus on writing the correct words, because I don't really want you to be on the first write from dictation, spend 3 minutes on adding extra words and then do not have enough time for the remaining dictations. Write the sentence as accurately as possible. Wherever you're doubtful about capitalization, about spelling errors, or if you have missed article or any word, you can add extra words. You won't lose points in writing or any of the other modules. So this is what we want you to test, and this is what I'll say. Add extra words and write from dictation if in doubt, but make sure you manage your time. It's not mandatory that you have to add the extra word in the beginning or at the end or just next to the right word. You can add it anywhere. Another thing, sometimes what will happen, sentences will go very fast in the exam, and let's say you have only got 2 words, you don't remember the rest of the sentence. What I'll recommend in that case, write 2 words which you have got and then add commonly repeated articles or helping words. For example, a and the, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. You can add these words. Sometimes these words are there in all, majority of the sentences, and you might get 2, 3, 4 extra points, and that is going to help you. I'll wrap up the video. Read aloud, you can use one-line strategy or full. Describe image, do not speak less than 10 seconds. We have failed in this experiment, so you shouldn't be doing that. And add a few keywords from the image. And last, write from dictation. Try to focus on accuracy. In case you have doubt, add extra words. You won't be losing any points. This is what you do. If you'll do this, 120% your scores are going to go up. That's it from this video. If the video was helpful, do like, share and subscribe. If you need any help, you can contact us on these numbers. We have got our branches in Australia, in India, in Nepal as well. We do provide online classes all over the world. And if you want to practice and take a free full score mock test, log on to languageacademy.com.au and we will be more than happy to help you. Varun from Language Academy, do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Do let me know what other topics you want me to cover.